Okay, we will solve this one in the arithmetic sequence, negative 7, negative 4, negative 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. So what term is 44? Okay, so we will use this formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Okay, so yung given natin dito, yung a sub 1, eh, a sub 1, this is the first term na negative 7. Okay, then yung d or yung common difference, okay, hanapin muna natin yung common difference. We will subtract the second term sa first term, and we will subtract the third term sa second term, and the fourth term sa third term. Okay, so negative 4, yung second term. Okay, subtract natin yan sa first term na negative 7. Okay, so ngayon, since negative yan, we have to change the sign, or subtraction yan, we have to change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So, kopyahan muna natin yung menuin na negative 4. Then, itong negative 7, na-change yan into positive 7. Then, we'll proceed to addition. So, this is positive na yan. And this is positive 7. So, equals negative 4 plus 7 is 3. Okay? So, the other one, si negative 1, the third term, subtract natin yan kay negative 4. So, equals, so negative 1, magiging positive na itong negative. Tsaka from negative, magiging positive 4. So, this is 3. Okay? So, last, si positive 2. Okay, subtract natin yan kay negative 1. So, 2, change yan into positive. So, this is magiging positive 1. So, 3. So, therefore, yung common difference is equal to 3. Okay, ngayon, i-apply natin yun, o gamitin natin yung formula na a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Okay? Okay, so a sub n, this is 44. Diba? Yung a sub n, so equals a sub 1 natin, this is the first term na negative 7. Okay? Plus n, hindi natin alam yan, minus 1 times d, which is 3. Ito yung common difference. So, 44, kopyahin natin yan, equals negative 7 plus, i-distribute natin yan si 3 sa n at saka kay negative 1. So, 3 times n, that is 3n. 3 times negative 1, that is negative 3. Okay, so, pwede natin i-transpose yan, si 3n to the left side, at saka si 44 to the right side. So, this is negative 3n equals si 44 na positive, magiging negative 44 yan. Okay. Then, kopyahin natin yung negative 7. Hindi na transpose si negative 7. Ganun pa rin yung sign niya. Maging si negative 3. Okay. So, negative 3n. So, total natin yan kasi same sign sila. Diba? We have to copy their common sign, then add. So, this is negative 44 plus negative 7 plus negative 3. So, this is negative 54. Okay? Negative 54. Total yan lahat. Then, copy their common sign. Okay, then, okay, ang gagawin natin dito, i-divide natin yan both sides by negative 3, or pwede rin multiply both sides. Okay? So, divide na lang natin na negative 3 and negative 54. Divide both sides by negative 3. Okay? Pwede rin multiply, ha? So, ang naiwan dito, i-cancel natin yung negative 3. Kasi negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. So, therefore, naiwan, and ito na lang, ha, para makita. N is equal to negative 54 divided by negative 3. So, that is equal to positive 18. Okay? So, therefore, oh, therefore, uh, 44 is the 18th term. 18th term in the arithmetic sequence. So, this is your final answer. Bye-bye.